Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Cozy Fun.
Let's play to guess the Italian Brainrot character in 5 seconds.
Have you subscribed my channel yet, friends? So before watching, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Guess this Italian Brainrot character. Ballerina Capucina. Which Brainrot character is this? Bobrito Bandito. Bombardiro Crocodilo. What about this? Bonica Ambalabu. Guess this Brainrot character. Write the answer in the comment box. Can you guess this character? Try this. Oh, you are right. This is Burbaloni Luliloli. Which Brainrot character is this? Frigo Camilo. Can you recognize this character? Oh, this is easy. Impangini Bananini. Oh, this is also easy. You can guess it easily. Which character is this? Ta 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 Shahur. Lirili Larila. Write this answer in the comment box. Can you guess this Italian Brainrot character? Giraffa Celeste. Do you have any idea which character is this? Oh, this is Tung 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 Shahur. Which Brainrot character is this? Trulimero Trulicina. Oh, you are great. Trippy Troppy. Which character is this? Can you guess this? What about this character? Write the answer in the comment box. Guess this the Brainrot character. Penguinelli Cactusini. Burbaloni Watermeloni. Can you guess which Italian Brainrot character is this? Oh, you are right. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to like and subscribe.